Hi, welcome to my video. Today we're unboxing two custom small block Lego cars. You can attach Legos to both of them, and let's get started unboxing both of them. Why did that have to be difficult? I'm gonna wait for that one. Ooh, perfect! I'm using my pocket knife to get it open, and I did get it open with it. And there it is. There. And comes off. They're both Legos. And there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.